To find Botunix, it's essential to understand what it is and where it can be located. Botunix is an online platform that offers various services, including cryptocurrency trading and wallet management. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to find Botunix. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection and a device with a web browser. Open your web browser and type Botunix in the search bar. You can use popular search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo. Once you've entered the search query, press enter and browse through the search results. Look for the official website of Botunix, which should be listed at the top of the search results. Be cautious of fake or phishing websites that may have similar names or domains. After locating the official website, click on it and explore the services offered by Botunix. You can read reviews, check the features, and learn more about the platform's security and reliability. If you're unable to find the official website through a search engine, you can try visiting cryptocurrency forums or social media groups where users discuss and share information about various cryptocurrency platforms. You can ask for recommendations or guidance from experienced users who have used Botunix before. When using Botunix or any other online platform, it's crucial to follow best practices to ensure your safety and security. Always use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your personal and financial information private. In conclusion, finding Botunix requires a simple online search, and it's essential to be cautious when exploring online platforms by following the steps outlined in this guide and being mindful of your online security. You can find and utilize the services offered by Botunix.